Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I went to Tesco and did a massive grocery haul of all kinds of vegetarian food. Now I've been vegetarian for about a month now and I feel comfortable sharing a little more of my experience and the foods I'm enjoying. And if you're new to my channel, I have actually been on keto, low carb for a while, and I've transitioned into a vegetarian or onto a vegetarian diet. So everything you'll see is vegetarian friendly, but I am no longer low carb. So viewers who followed me in the low carb days, maybe skip this video. I've got other videos with lots of low carb inspiration. Just check out my channel. But yep, let me show you everything that I got today. So this is everything that I got, and as I mentioned, I'm no longer low carb, so yes, you'll see pasta and all kinds of things. So let me start up the top here. We've got some spinach for making salads, and I like also sauteed spinach on the side of eggs. We've got mushrooms. I found this beautiful mushroom selection. I've been loving all kinds of mushroom risottos and frying up mushrooms and having them in place of bolognese. I've been making a mushroom bolognese. If you'd like me to share that recipe with you, let me know and I'll film it. And I've got some nutritional yeast. I love using nutritional yeast. It's a great way to get some B vitamins, and I've been sprinkling it over salads, over fried vegetables, really loads of ways to enjoy them. And for snacks, I've been loving these lentil curls, the sour cream chive and the lightly salted. I've often just got one in my handbag to have as a snack when I'm out and about, and it's just really have been enjoying them. As well as baked beans. I've never really been a big baked bean fan, but since going vegetarian I've been trying them out and I quite enjoy having baked beans for breakfast. And some fruit over here. We've got bananas and grapes and raspberries up over there too for some fruit options. I found this sounded quite interesting. Garlic and herb soft cheese. It's like cream cheese, so I might have some as a snack or for breakfast. And dates. I've been loving dates. I love the flavour of them, and they're just a little nutrition powerhouse. Got all kinds of nutritional goodness in dates. And coconut too. I've got some coconut just to scatter on top of. I might put it on top of overnight oats or a breakfast parfait, just some coconut. And pecorino, that is a vegetarian friendly cheese that's quite similar to Parmesan, and I've been enjoying that as well lately. And for sweets, I've got some dark chocolate and some more dark chocolate. These were all on special at Tesco, so I couldn't resist them today. And courgettes or zucchini, depending where you're from. I got a couple of them. And oats. I've never, as well as with baked beans, I've never really been a huge oatmeal fan, but I've been cooking it lately and really enjoying it. So I got some more organic oats for breakfast. And these are the first time I'm trying this one, Spanish inspired cooking sauce. I've been having lots of different pastas lately. Yes, not low carb, but I've been enjoying all kinds of different pastas and trying different ones like this red lentil fusilli. So it's kind of got more protein in and a bit more nutrition than just plain pasta, and trying different sauces and different ingredients and combinations. And so I found this Spanish inspired one and also this mushroom. I love all things mushroom, and these are vegetarian but not vegan friendly. I found at Tesco. They were new. They were only, I think, 89 or 85 cents each, which, yeah, a good kind of bargain, something good to try. And it's a couple of avocado, though. I've been quite disappointed with avos lately. Going to give these a try, but we'll see how we go. And some yogurt. I've got a nice raspberry yogurt, local Irish raspberry yogurt to give a try over there. And these mushrooms, I've been loving experimenting with dried mushrooms. Bolognese has mushrooms. I've got a kind of a mushroom bolognese I've been working on that uses dried mushrooms, and it tastes super meaty too. And lastly, these pastas over here, filled pastas. Now, I am quite new to vegetarian, so I'm trying to make more meals from scratch and not rely on these kind of ready meal type ones. But I find, as far as ready meals go, finding some vegetarian options. Tesco had this spinach and ricotta tortellini and tomato and cheese capelletti. So I thought I'd give them both a try, because the rest of my family are not vegetarian, and I'm trying to keep them having their regular meals, but then have kind of instant-ish meals for myself like this that I can make. And I'm learning. It's a work in progress, and as I'm going through, I'll be sharing more with you. But that is the whole haul today of all kinds of vegetarian goodies I found at Tesco. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know what you thought thought of this and future vegetarian inspiration you'd like me to share with you. Let me know recipes or any information you'd like me to share. I will be happy to put that together for you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!